24 cute things girls do that guys love. Whether a guy is just starting to date a woman or is in a committed relationship with her, there are some cute things girls do that guys love. And she usually does these things without thinking twice about it. Though it can be difficult to tell what men want, there are certain subtle actions women do that guys secretly love. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. Don't miss latest more social psychology videos. Watch this video to the end and learn 24 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 1. Appealing eyes. This is the most beautiful thing girls can do to appreciate and love men. These even more boys will agree. They look especially cute when the girls wake up wrapped in a blanket, and this is not just the beginning. Not just in a relationship or flying, but throughout it. Number 2. Biting her lips. Lip biting is an age-old form of sexual arousal that causes something to happen boys see a girl. But if a girl has a habit of unknowingly biting her lip, this will really add to her personality and her boyfriend will fall in love with her. Number 3. Touches the chest. One of the things boys love to do is touch their chests when they are cute. Feeling the warmth and lightly moving your fingers around his chest is something most men love. Number 4. Playing with her hair. A girl's hair is a source of attraction. Playing with it, it adds, and guys definitely want a girl to play with her hair, whether it is intentional or not. There's something about playing with this hair that gives boys some kind of magical attraction. They also see it as a sign of interest. Maybe that's it. Whether she twists her locks or puts them behind her ears, it is not only cute but also very elegant and feminine. Number 5. Laughs. It evokes a free-spirited smile that illuminates your face, and when girls smile sincerely, boys cannot avoid it. Even a smile can make things work. Not only does it make it easier for boys, it also makes them more attractive to girls, especially if they laugh at their jokes. Number 6. Reaching for something. Girls often get on their toes, mainly to reach for something high. This is a cute thing for all the boys, and it's not good enough for them. Whether they're in a store approaching for something, or a boy's place, trying to reach the top shelf of his closet. Believe it or not, the boys will spend their sweet time before helping because they appreciate the view. Number 7. How she is scared. Sometimes girls' fears are logical and sometimes they are not. But boys are fascinated by the fact that someone can be so strong about the big things in life and so afraid of the small things, like spiders. And basically, anything crawls and crawls, having said that, they are more than willing to kill a spider for a girl. Or take her to the car at night when she does not want to walk alone. Boys like it when a girl is sometimes scared because it allows them to move on and be their protector. Number 8. Cooking. Boys like it when girls try to cook this way and show their love. Although they are not the best chefs in the world, they are still trying to cook something. Although their efforts may not always go as planned, their efforts are still acknowledged. Number 9. Having a great sense of humor. Women prefer men who can make them laugh. Men like women who laugh at their jokes. They love it when their girlfriend shares a similar sense of humor and is happy with their witchcraft. Laughing together also helps build a strong relationship. If you are also a magical person, it adds fun to the relationship. Number 10. Wearing high heels. Wearing high heels will make your legs look longer and in shape. High heels also transfer your weight to the balls of your feet, causing your hips to shake and making your gait more sensitive and attractive. Guys, it's attractive, so when you walk in, you cannot avoid waiting for them by clicking on your high heels. Number 11. Video games and games. Boys like it when they find girls with similar interests, especially fun and adventurous girls, and girls who are interested in sports and video games drive men crazy. Of course, not all girls get involved, but find it when they get involved and show support. Number 12. Redness. Some girls look down or hide their faces when it is red. However, boys like it when their girl turns red in response to their romantic feelings or jokes. They make the reaction cute and pleasant. Shame makes girls seem innocent and sensitive. It makes men fall hard on them. If you want to know how this action affects your person, look at him when you are red. The feelings in his eyes reveal the depth of his feelings. Number 13. When she is embarrassed. The little thing in research is that many boys are asked, and when a girl is ashamed of a little boy, for some reason they all agree on this point. The main thing is to think that whenever someone is embarrassed, they think it's really beautiful, and they think everyone else is judging them. They do not judge her, but instead, many of them want to help her find it cute, so she reveals her innocent and sensitive side, and the boys totally like it. Number 14. Natural appearance. Girls are a little fond of makeup and often refuse to leave the house without a painted face. But little do they know that their natural appearance to boys is not so cute and resistant. Boys love when a girl is dressed and looks attractive, and they really appreciate when she walks around him naturally and comfortably without any makeup on. It shows her ease and confidence. Number 15. Listening carefully when they speak. When you listen attentively to someone without interruption, it shows your respect for the person and his words. Boys appreciate it when they pay attention to what their girlfriend is saying without making any judgments. When you listen patiently, you show men that you care and give them the confidence to open up more to you. It increases their love for you. So, pay attention, touch the eyes, and support when your person says something to you. Number 16. Wear a baseball cap forward. When a girl wearing a baseball cap walks forward, the boys find it cute. Now, I'm not talking about a girl snatching a hat from a boy's head for a cheese selfie. I'm talking about when a girl buys her own hat and wears it properly. She looks a little weird, but it could be that she's so cute. Number 17. Being cute. Guys sometimes say they don't want to be petted. But when a guy loves a girl like crazy, he wants to be pettier with her. There is no such thing as wrapping the girl he loves in the safety and security of his arms. Whether she wraps him around his neck when she sees him, lies across his lap while watching a movie, or uses his whole body in bed as a source of heat feels good. Number 18. Independent girls. Boys like girls who are independent but still dependent on their men. Boys always want to be in charge and hold the top hand, but they love it when a girl is independent and can do things for themselves when he is not around and around him while relying on him. It seems a little tactical, but it really is not. Number 19. Wearing his clothes. Boys love it when girls wear their shirts, and not only does it make them look gorgeous when they wear those big dresses, it also makes them look warm. It makes him feel comfortable around her. Number 20. Carrying you with confidence. Loyal women are a big turn-on for some men. A faithful woman knows what she wants. This feature is very attractive to men. It shows confidence in the way you walk, the way you talk, and the way you dress. It is powerful and magnetic and adds some charm to your body language. Guys are surprised by this. So, take yourself around your person with confidence, and then you will see the approval in his eyes. Number 21. Give them romantic nicknames. Boys like to hear their name from their girlfriend. But when you call them by a cute nickname, it completely melts their heart. It makes the boy feel your love and care. Common nicknames like baby and darling can make your boyfriend happy, and unique nicknames will make him happy. It builds the intimacy and great connection that you share. Number 22. Wearing sexy clothes. Sexy clothes do not mean showing too much skin. Dresses that highlight your delicate neck and shoulders, or pants that fit well that show off your long legs, are enough to drive your boyfriend crazy. Number 23. Spend time and energy to his friends. Boys are usually closer to their friends. These friends are an essential part of your boyfriend's life. If you take the time and energy to get to know his friends, it will make him happy. He appreciates your sincere effort and loves you even more. Your wonderful gesture strengthens your relationship. Number 24. Take care of him. Men love to take care of the woman they love, and they take care of themselves. They appreciate it when their wife hugs them when they are lying on the floor, prepares their favorite food, and meets their needs when they are sick. It makes them feel loved and loved. Therefore, show love and care to your man. It will be a great reason for him to fall deeper into you.